Good day, this is the Professopher, CBMD PhD, and today's Thursday, February 9th, 2023. It is 8:53 and 11 seconds, p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and today's research, diabetes and women. So let's hop to it here. As phthalate exposure may increase diabetes risk in women, further research needed on chemicals impact and racial and ethnic groups. Date February 8, 2023. Source: The Endocrine Society. Endocrine disrupting chemicals, EDCs, in plastics may contribute to diabetes risk in women, according to a new study. As phthalates are chemicals widely used in plastics, such as personal care products, children's toys, and food and beverage packaging, phthalate exposure is associated with reduced fertility, diabetes, and other endocrine disorders. The research found phthalates may contribute to a higher incidence of diabetes in women, especially white women, over a 6-year period. As people are exposed to phthalates, daily increasing their risk of several metabolic diseases, it is important that we address EDCs now, as they are harmful to human health. The researchers studied 1,308 women from the study of women's health across the nation over 6 years to see if phthalates contributed to incident diabetes in the population. About 5% of the women developed diabetes over 6 years. These women had concentrations of phthalates in their urine similar to middle-aged women in the U.S. In the early 2000s, when the urine samples were collected, white women exposed to high levels of some phthalates had a 30 to 63% higher chance of developing diabetes, while the harmful chemicals were not linked to diabetes in Black or Asian women. The research is a step in the right direction towards better understanding phthalates' effect on metabolic diseases, but further investigation is needed. And this is the Professor of Microbiology, Bioinformatics, and Pathophysiology. This video was created for educational purposes only. Hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have an awesome day.